Zamrise Current Affairs, the 2nd of January 2025. 1. Recently, which IIT institute has developed a needle-less shock syringe for painless injections? A. IIT Kanpur. B. IIT Bombay. C. IIT Madras. D. IIT Guwahati. Answer B. 2. Recently, America has announced additional security assistance worth how many billion dollars for Ukraine? A. $1.8 billion. B. $2.2 billion. C. $2.5 billion. D. $4.2 billion. Answer C. 3. The Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement between India and which country has celebrated its second anniversary? A. Japan. B. Singapore. C. Australia. D. Mauritius. Answer C. 4. Where has the first Indian made surgical robot been launched recently? A. Maharashtra. B. Kerala. C. Rajasthan. D. Karnataka. Answer A. 5. Till when was the deadline of Vivad Se Vishwas SCHEME 2024 extended by the Income Tax Department? A. The 10th of January 2025. B. The 31st of January 2025. C. The 31st of March 2025. D. The 1st of April 2025. Answer B. Download ExamRise app for mock test. 6. In January 2025, the proposed GSLV mission will launch blank from Sriharikota. A. 99. B. 100. C. 101st. D. 102nd. Answer B. 7. Recently, on which date was International Epidemic Preparedness Day celebrated? A. The 26th of December. B. The 27th of December. C. The 29th of December. D. The 31st of December. Answer B. 8. Which state has recently launched the SWA platform to remove language barriers? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Meghalaya. C. Assam. D. Gujarat. Answer D. 9. In Forbes 2024, how many Indian women have been included in the list of 100 most powerful women? A. O2. B. O3. C. O5. D. O8. Answer B. 10. Which country has recently presented the prototype of the world's fastest train? A. America. B. Japan. C. China. D. France. Answer C. 11. On which date is Global Family Day celebrated every year? A. The 1st of January. B. The 2nd of January. C. The 3rd of January. D. The 4th of January. Answer A. 12. In which country has the 5-day Honey Festival recently concluded? A. Nepal. B. Myanmar. C. Sri Lanka. D. Thailand. Answer A. 13. Punjab and which state's police, in collaboration with the Go Bachpan Bachao Andolan, have saved 30 bonded laborers? A. Chhattisgarh. B. Bihar. C. Jharkhand. D. Nagaland. Answer B. 14. According to RBI, by how much percent will the GDP growth rate increase in the financial year 2024-25? A. 4.2%. B. 5.7%. C. 6.6%. D. 7.9%. Answer C. 15. Which ministry has recently signed 2 contracts to strengthen submarine capabilities? A. Home Ministry. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of External Affairs. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Answer B. 16. In the Lok Sabha elections 2024, which region had the highest percentage of women voters in the country? A. Puducherry. B. Chandigarh. C. Delhi. D. Maharashtra. Answer A. Down.